Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's jumping in my pot. Blackened scallop with Creole style orzo. Let's get to the ingredients. Frozen green peas, salt, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, minced garlic, red pepper minced, olive oil, unsalted butter. I have here diced onions and celery, chicken broth, lemon juice to wash the scallops in, diced scallions, and the orzo. I have a cast iron pot here, and we're going to cook the orzo and the vegetable in this. I have it on medium high. Now, let's the oil jump in the pot and let all the vegetables follow behind. Now we saute all of the vegetable up together for about 5 to 8 minutes. Now let's add the seasonings. Let's add the Cajun seasoning, the black pepper, and a little salt. We saute these vegetables up together for about 8 minutes or until they become translucent. Now let's check the vegetables. Yes, it has sauteed up enough. And now it's time for the orzo to jump in the pot. Now we keep stirring this so it'll brown up together, toast up together. For about 1 to 2 minutes. Let all the flavors come together. Now that the orzo has toasted up enough, we're going to add the chicken broth in. We stir this up, bring it to a boil, and cover it up for about 20 minutes after it comes to a boil. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. I have a frying pan here, and let's turn it on medium-low. Okay, I'm going to add some olive oil. Some butter. I have the scallops here. Let's add a little black pepper to the scallops. and a little Cajun seasoning. We mix this up. We add them to the pan. We cook them for 2 minutes on each side. We don't want to cook them too long because they get very tough and rubbery if you overcook them. Okay. We let these saute up. Then we flip them over to the other side. Now let's check the scallop. Now what we're going to do now is squeeze a little lemon juice on top. And then we're going to cook it again for about 1 minute and turn it off. Now, it's time to add the green peas to the orzo. And stir this up. And we're going to cook this for about 2 minutes. I've plated it up, and here it is. Blackened scallop with Creole style orzo. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.